Text is used to place notes or other forms of annotations in your drawing. There are actually two different types of text: single-line text and multi-line text. The simplest type of annotation you can create is a single line of text. Each line of single-line text is created as a separate single-line text object. With multi-line text or paragraph text, all of the lines of text exist as a single multi-line text object. To create a single line of text, you can either select the Single Line Text tool in the Annotation panel of the Home ribbon, or the Single Line Text tool in the Text panel of the Annotate ribbon. As soon as you click the tool, the program prompts you to specify the starting point of the text. With dynamic input enabled, the prompt also appears adjacent to the cursor. Pick the point where you would like the text to start. As soon as you do, you are prompted to specify the height of the text. The default value is 0.2. You can press Enter to accept the default, or specify a new value by typing or picking a second point to indicate the text height graphically within the drawing. In this case, type 0.25 and press Enter. Next, the program asks for the rotation angle, which is the angle of the baseline of the text. The default angle is 0, which means the text will align horizontally from left to right. Press Enter to accept the default. You now see a text cursor on the screen to indicate that you can start typing. Type some text. And then press the Enter key. Then enter some more text. And then press Enter again. Every time you press Enter, you start a new line of text. To end the command, press Enter twice. When you move the cursor over each line of text, you can see that each is a separate text object, thus the name Single Line Text. And if you need to modify the text, for example, to move the text, each line of text acts as a single object.